August 27th, here with SEI coat. We applied 4 different panels yesterday. This panel, you can see the darkening is the GPA 300 graffiti proofer direct to the substrate. Solvent-based products direct to a mineral substrate will wet out the substrate. This is why we have the dark look there. Moving to panel 2, we put 1 coat of our sealer down, a very light coat of the sealer, SCS-002-SP, which is a bonding agent for the proofer, but also maintains the color integrity of the substrate. If you go to this line up here, you can see that the color differentiation from here to here is much less than from here to here. Now to panel 3, we've got 2 coats of our sealer and 1 coat of our proofer. So 2 coats of the sealer, 1 coat of the graffiti proofer, and at the line of differentiation you can't tell the difference. Now there's a little bit of a sheen to these coatings that will dissipate in about a week. On the 4th paneling, we've got 2 sealer, 2 proofer, and on a lot of these walls, because they've had graffiti removals done in the past, and to be honest with you, the graffiti removals that have been done have been far too harsh. The rest of the panels have not been coated. These have been graffiti, and you can see where the pressure washer, the chemicals have carved out of the concrete. If you go back to this panel, the darker area is the area that's been previously carved out, and also sort of gets a better wetting out of the substrate when the coating's applied, so that looks like it's enhanced. But the bottom line is that if we go back to panel 3, this is the exact aesthetic that that the goal should be. So now that we've proofed these, we're going to go ahead and tag them, spray graffiti all over them, and then we're going to do some quick removals. And obviously the panels are going to be here forever for SkyTrains and so on and so forth to continue testing. Rust-Oleum Industrial Black Spray Paint. Panel 3 is the panel that we like, that's most aesthetically pleasing, so we're going to tag this one. And for today, we'll keep a small tag going. Got a painter's touch and a tremblant. Okay, we're going to let those sit and dry for about an hour, and then we're going to do a removal with a dry paper towel, dry cloth only. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half since we put this graffiti on. We're just going to do a quick removal with a dry rag, just to make sure that we're getting the release properties that we want off the substrate that has the best color matching and maintain the best color integrity that we had with our sealer and our proofer. So just dry cloth here, and you can see the graffiti, the paint, can't gain any adhesion to the substrate because of the proofer's release characteristics. There's no product on the market that can come close to this kind of removal performance with a dry rag. This takes the graffiti removal from a contractor to a general maintenance task for removal. So now that we've done some removal with a dry rag, just to get the full feeling of a commercial removal, we're going to pressure wash the rest off.